When it comes to home improvement projects that deliver a significant return on investment, window installation often tops the list. For homeowners in Pell City, new window installation not only enhances comfort and aesthetics but also plays a key role in increasing home value. Whether you're planning to sell your home or simply want to make a wise upgrade, understanding how window installation impacts home value is essential. Why windows matter in home value. Windows are more than just openings to let in light and air. They are integral to your home's functionality, energy efficiency, and curb appeal. Potential buyers in Pell City look for homes with modern, energy-efficient windows that promise lower utility costs, better comfort, and an appealing appearance. Investing in high-quality window installation is a simple yet powerful way to make your home more attractive to future buyers. Key ways window installation impacts home value. Enhanced curb appeal. First impressions are critical in real estate, and windows are one of the first features people notice about a home. Modern window designs can dramatically enhance your home's exterior. Sleek frames, large panes, and updated styles create a polished and inviting look that elevates the overall aesthetic. Whether your home's design is traditional or contemporary, new windows can provide the perfect finishing touch that captures attention and boosts its marketability. Increased energy efficiency. Energy efficiency is one of the most sought-after features for today's buyers. Replacing outdated windows with energy-efficient models can have a substantial impact on your home's value. Features like double or triple pane glass, low emissivity, low E coatings, and insulated frames reduce heat transfer, keeping your home cool in the summer and warm in the winter. Lower energy bills are a major selling point for buyers, making energy-efficient windows a practical investment. Additionally, energy-efficient windows help your home meet modern energy standards, which is increasingly important in Pell City's competitive housing market. Improved natural light and ventilation. Modern window installation maximizes natural light and airflow, making your home feel brighter, more spacious, and more comfortable. Bright, sunlit spaces appeal to buyers because they evoke a sense of warmth and positivity. Additionally, windows that improve ventilation contribute to better indoor air quality, which is a growing priority for homeowners. Enhanced security and durability. Newly installed windows often come with advanced security features, such as reinforced glass, multi-point locking systems, and impact resistance. These features offer peace of mind to homeowners and potential buyers alike. Durable materials like vinyl, fiberglass, and aluminum frames also ensure that the windows require minimal maintenance and have a long lifespan, which adds to their appeal. Noise reduction. Living in Pell City means enjoying a quiet and serene environment, but occasional outdoor noise can disrupt that peace. Modern windows with soundproofing technology can significantly reduce outside noise, creating a more tranquil indoor atmosphere. This feature is especially valuable for homes located near busy roads or other high-traffic areas. Higher resale value. Installing new windows can provide an impressive return on investment, ROI, when it's time to sell. Studies show that homeowners can recoup up to 70% or more of their window installation costs through increased home value. Buyers are willing to pay a premium for homes with upgraded, energy-efficient, and visually appealing windows, making it a win-win investment. Choosing the right windows for maximum value. To maximize the value of your Pell City home, it's essential to choose the right windows. Consider these popular options. Double-hung windows, a timeless choice that combines classic style with modern efficiency. Casement windows. Hinged on the side and opening outward, these windows provide excellent ventilation and an unobstructed view. Bay and bow windows. These elegant designs add depth and character to any room while increasing natural light. Picture windows. Perfect for showcasing scenic views, these fixed windows offer a striking focal point. Sliding windows. Space-saving and easy to operate, sliding windows are a practical yet stylish choice. Work with a trusted local professional to select windows that complement your home's architecture and meet your functional needs. The importance of professional installation. The quality of the installation is just as important as the quality of the windows themselves. Poorly installed windows can lead to air leaks, moisture problems, and decreased energy efficiency. To ensure a flawless installation, hire a reputable contractor in Pell City with experience in window installation. Professionals will ensure your windows are properly sealed, aligned, and installed for maximum performance and longevity. Elevate your Pell City home's value today. A window installation is a transformative upgrade that enhances your home's comfort, energy efficiency, and curb appeal. By investing in high-quality windows and professional installation, you can increase your Pell City home's value while enjoying the immediate benefits of a more beautiful and functional living space. Don't wait to make this impactful improvement. Contact a local window installation expert today to explore your options and take the first step toward boosting your home's value.